Okay, number one, we did the trial and error. I'm going to continue with that. And this was gives you x squared plus 2x minus 15. And to try this one, I'm going to say it doesn't look too bad. I'm going to say x and x. That gives me x squared. Looking at the 15, I'm looking for, two nice simple numbers that would multiply to 15. And I'm going to say, 3 and 5. Of course, I'm not even looking at signs at this point. I'm saying this is not a bad try. X times x is x squared, 3 times 5 is 15. But I'm looking at the product that's negative, and the internal sum is positive. So I'm going to say plus 5 minus 3. I'm going to check it. If it's right, I'll box it. If not, I'll try again. That's x squared plus 5x minus 3x minus 15. Do I get what we want, which is x squared? Well, 5x minus 3x is 2x, and we do get minus 15. So this is the correct answer. Let's also use the AC method. So here the A is 1, the B is 2, and the C is minus 15. So you're going to do AC, A times C. Well, A times C is minus 15. You need to find two numbers that multiply to minus 15, and those same two numbers, when added together, would give you the B, which is 2. What are those two numbers? Those two numbers are going to be 5 and minus 3. Because 5 times minus 3 is minus 15, and 5 plus minus 3 is going to be 2. Then what I do, I take this guy, I split it into 4 terms. That's x squared plus 5x minus 3x minus 15. Now if I split it that way, I'm going to factor them by grouping. The first two terms, an x comes out. What do you get? X plus 5. On the second two terms, I'm going to factor out a minus 3, and that gives me x plus 5 there. I'm going to look at those two terms, factor out the common factor, which is x plus 5, and you're left off with x minus 3. Do we get the same answer? We get the same answer. Now someone could say, what if I did a different grouping? What if I did this one over here? X squared minus 3x plus 5x minus 15. Well, if you did that, the first two terms, factor out an x, you get x minus 3. For the second two terms, factor out a 5 from that group, which would be x minus 3. Do they have a factor in common? They do. It's x minus 3. What's left over? X plus 5. Are we getting the same thing? Every single time we're getting the same thing. Thank you.